provider veterans to reach high-risk populations in their community. A provider is defined as anyone who can bill directly for clinical services, including but not limited to medical doctor, dentist, nurse practitioner, physician assistant, dental hygienist, psychologist, social worker, clinical nurse midwife, and clinical nurse specialist. The primary health care provider must have practiced at the health center for a minimum of 3 years. Again, it is my pleasure to announce this year's winner of the All-Star Provider of the Year Award, Dr. Max Rudicel. Dr. Max Rudicel is well known throughout the Muncie community. He might have helped you with an emergency situation in Bell Memorial Hospital's emergency department. He could have examined your child at a Head Start screening day. Maybe when you were playing sports at a Muncie community school, he helped out with an injury as a team physician. Or he might have even delivered your child. These are just some of Dr. Rudicel's many current, yes current, roles in the Muncie community. The list of his past volunteer roles in the community is too long to put in this nomination. Dr. Rudicel has been practicing medicine in Muncie since 1971 and has worked with Open Door Health Services since 1997, when Bright Start OB Clinic moved to Open Door. Over the 4 decades of his medical career, Dr. Rudicel has delivered more than 6,000 babies. He has also seen many of those children throughout the course of their lives in his other capacities in the community, only to have them return for prenatal care services themselves. Dr. Rudicel has had an indirect impact on the health of thousands of Americans by supervising clinical hours performed by hundreds of medical residents and interns, as well as nursing students throughout these years. Dr. Rudicel, would you please come forward?